Ever wondered why you sneeze? It's a complex biological reflex. But did you know each sneeze is unique? Historically, sneezes were seen as omens. For example, in ancient Greece, sneezes meant divine approval. But wait, why do some sneezes come in bursts? 2 or 3 sneezes? It's about irritation levels. Did you know allergies can trigger this? Or even a sudden temperature change? Some experts say genetics play a role too. Understanding your sneezing can reveal health insights. Ever heard of the sneeze reflex? It's a defense mechanism for your body. So next time you sneeze, think of its mystery. Your sneeze is more than just a reflex.